The ozone layer is a crucial layer in our atmosphere that blocks around 97% of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, protecting us and pretty much all other life forms on Earth. Back in the 1980s, scientists discovered that CFCs were creating a thinning of our protective ozone layer. So the world responded, they regulated the use of CFCs in refrigerant and aerosol products, which included hairsprays, and we saw a huge positive change, with current predictions calculating that our hole in the ozone layer should be fully recovered within 50 years. Yay! A huge win for the planet thanks to global cooperation. But just when we thought we're on the path to recovery, new research has thrown us a curveball. It appears that decommissioned low Earth orbit satellites could pose a new threat to our ozone layer. As of now, there are over 8,000 satellites orbiting the Earth in low Earth orbit, and 6,000 of those belong to the internet-providing Starlink project by Elon Musk. These satellites last around 5 years, and then, because there are no rubbish bins in space, they are thrust out of orbit to die a death by burning up in our atmosphere. During this burning process, new research has found that each satellite releases about 30 kilograms of aluminium oxide in the form of nanoparticles, which react with chlorine in the atmosphere left over from our CFC days and destroy the ozone layer. What's worse is the aluminium oxide are not consumed by this reaction, so they just keep on reacting with more and more chlorine, continuing to destroy our ozone molecule for decades as they slowly descend through our stratosphere. With plans to launch an additional 42,000 of these satellites, including 12,000 that have already been approved for Starlink and thousands more by other companies like Amazon, the amount of aluminium oxide in our atmosphere is about to dramatically increase. Once created, it takes these particles around 30 years to settle to the lower levels of our atmosphere where 90% of our ozone resides, and there's no getting them out once they are in there. With this new information, surely it's time to explore alternative methods for dealing with space junk that doesn't destroy our ozone layer. And as much as I love the idea of global internet access, I don't think it should come at the expense of endangering life on our planet.